Harness, meaning, pronunciation, harness. A harness is a set of straps or equipment used to control or secure an animal, person, or thing. It can also mean to take control of something, especially a natural resource or power, and use it for a specific purpose. Simple meaning: harness equals 1. Equipment for control. 2. To take control or use something. Common uses. 1. Harness noun. A set of straps used to control or secure an animal or person. Example: the horse wore a harness to pull the cart. 2. Harness verb. To take control or make use of something. Example: the company is harnessing solar energy to power their buildings. 3. Harness noun. A device used to control or secure something, often in dangerous situations. Example: he wore a harness while climbing the mountain. Examples: daily use sentences. 1. The dog wore a harness to prevent it from running away. 2. They are harnessing the power of wind to generate electricity. 3. The harness kept the child safe while he was on the roller coaster. 4. The team worked hard to harness the energy from the new technology. 5. The firefighter wore a harness to climb the building safely. Real-life explanation. A harness is commonly used for animals, like dogs or horses, to keep them controlled. It's also used by people, especially in activities like climbing, where safety is important. Figuratively, harnessing something means using its power or energy for a purpose.